Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. Are you looking for a smooth ride? Well, these Brooks Adrenaline GTS 22s, they have definitely given me the support and stability that I need. I deal with overpronation, and with my other shoes, I was starting to develop some arch pain. So I did a bunch of research, and I was really happy that this particular style shoe has really good arch support. And it also has a deeper heel drop, which helps to keep my foot from shifting around whenever I run. I really like the soles of these shoes. They felt like they were really strong and durable, had good traction. And so it didn't matter whether I was gonna hit the pavement running or if I wanted to do some trail running, I didn't feel like I was slipping around, and it also was stable on the beach. I normally wear a size 7.5 to 8, and these are size 8, fit me perfectly. And these are the gray Pico Aruba color, which I thought were pretty cool. So if you are ready to step up your game, I really like these Brooks Adrenaline. I've tried them out in different circumstances and I highly recommend them. And that is just my point of view.